Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. In a certain regulation of a basketball game, one of the essential moments for the team or for a player is when a coach calls for a timeout. Merong timeout para makahinga-hinga yung bawat kupunan. Most especially when a game is already on its heat. Time to drink, time to relax, time to at least stretch out their bodies. But more than those, coaches would call for a timeout to call on the attention of their team. Baka nakakalamang na ang kabilang kupunan, baka hindi na nagagawa ang tama o ang play, o nagkandasabog-sabog na sila sa kanilang mga ginagawa sa court. Time out to set things right for them. And we've heard the invitation of the Lord to the princess of Sodom, "Come now and let us set things right." Magkaliwanagan tayo, itama natin yung mga mali na nating nagagawa. And it is one consistent thing in the heart of God to call our attention and to set things right for our life. And we've heard how Jesus himself called the intention of his disciples by saying to them not to imitate the scribes and the Pharisees, not to bring burden to people, to practice humility, and to serve from their hearts. It was a time out, not only for them to rest, but also to set things right. My dear brothers and sisters, this 40 days of our Lenten journey is a good time out for the rest of us. Not just to rest, not only to pause, but also to set things right. Ang itama o ang maging maliwanag sa ating mga pagkakamali. Woe to us, kawawa tayo, kung ayaw nating matama o maliwanagan sa buong panahong ito. Or sad to say, kung ayaw man nating tawagin ang atensyon ng bawat isa kung nagkakamali na o nagkakandalabo-labo na ang bagay para sa kanila. This season and these days are good days for a pause, for a refresher, to set things right and to learn the right ways again and again as we live. God calls us for a time out from too much sins, from too much madness everywhere, from too much egoism, from too much selfishness. He wishes to make things right for us. God calls us a time out so that we can resume life armed with grace and with His love. May we also set things right so that we can live with light and with grace.